I live in a home with lots of foot traffic and plenty of rugs that slip and slide around, which is why I got this double-sided carpet tape to try to keep them in place. Let me show you how it works. Figure out where exactly you want your rugs to lay, and then put a line of tape around the perimeter or the edges you want to stay in place. Cut the piece for whatever size you need, and then either fold it back like this so it's secured in each of the corners, or you can pull the top layer of the tape off and it's double-sided and will stick to the entire length of the rug. It's extremely easy to apply and very durable. We've used it on hardwood, tile, it works and holds on different surfaces, and really does keep the rugs in place, even through vacuuming and a bunch of kids. It can easily be removed without leaving any residue on the floors, but between the easy application and the strength of this tape, it's hands down my go-to carpet tape.